We just dropped HelloCustom 2.0 and I could not be more excited about these new features. So in this video, I just wanted to walk you through the new HelloCustom and show you all of the new features that the team and I have worked really hard on creating. So when you sign into your HelloCustom account, the first thing that you might notice is there are some new tabs over here on the left. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through each of the different tabs and show you all of the new features that we created for each tab. I do promise that the further we go down, the crazier some of these features are, like our direct Canva integration or our Etsy live preview. So do stay tuned for some of those features. So starting with the top tab, order. What we did here is we took our approval queue tab and our archive tab and we merged those together into an orders tab right here, that when HelloCustom personalizes a graphic for your approval, it will come to your orders tab underneath the status on hold. When you approve an order, it will go to the approved. If you delete it, it will go to the deleted. The next thing that we did on this page right here is we made the approval on a per order basis versus a per graphic basis. So if you had one order with 3 personalized graphics, no longer do you have to click approve 3 times for it to go over to production. You can now just review the entire order. If the order is good, you can just click approve 1 time and the order will be sent over to production. We are working on the ability to be able to view your orders as a list. So that way you can click on view as a list, select all, approve all, 2 clicks of a button. You can send all of your daily orders over to production. Another improvement that we made onto this page is if you click onto the thumbnail of the personalized graphic, we now show the personalization information side by side with the enlarged thumbnail. Previously, it would cut off the personalization, so you would have to open and close it a couple of different times. We now show those side by side with a couple of different options. You can, from here, edit the design. So if you click onto the edit, it will pull in this design inside of our editor, or you can click onto the download to download it as a JPEG, a PNG, or a PDF. Other than this, we have some actions right here, where from here you can click onto the edit, where you can make the entire approval card editable. You can click onto download, where you can download the designs. If you have an order with multiple personalized graphics, you can also do bulk downloads, like select all, download all. So that is another improvement right here. Shipping, if for any reason you need to update the shipping before it goes over to production, you can do that here, and or delete. The only other improvement that we made for the orders tab is if you are on the business plan, we now gift you 200 free orders per month. So you're no longer going to be charged the transaction fee until the 201st order. And if you're doing less than 200, you don't even have to worry about transaction fees anymore. So that's going to be it for the orders tab right here. Next is the designs tab. So this was previously our templates page. We now refer to templates as designs. Another thing that you might notice is we no longer have our sort by draft or sort by active, because now you can create a design and you can save it at any stage, just making things more simple and clean for you guys. So the next improvement to our designs tab, which I'm super excited about, is we now have a direct Canva integration. So I would say maybe 9 out of 10 of our users use Canva. So if you create your designs on Canva, no longer do you have to go back over to Canva, download the design as a PDF print, RGB color profile, come back over to HelloCustom, upload it. You can now click onto the upload from Canva, where we are going to pull in all of your Canva designs in real time right here at your fingertips. We're going to organize these from most recent to oldest. We also have a search bar right here where you can search for your designs, where all you have to do is click onto your design. If you want it to come in with a transparent background, select the page that you are working on, click onto upload from Canva, and within a few seconds, we will pull this design into your HelloCustom account, fully editable as if you created it inside of HelloCustom to begin with. If you don't use Canva, another improvement that we made is we 5x our file size limits. So in terms of our PDF to editable design feature, again, you can create your designs anywhere you want, just download it as a PDF, upload it here, and we will convert it back into an editable design. We increased our file size limits from 15 megabytes for the PDF all the way up to 75 megabytes. If you use Adobe for Illustrator or Photoshop, for example, we do have an Adobe integration coming soon. So we are making tons of improvements on making it easier to bring your designs into HelloCustom to automate the personalization. All right, so the next improvements are actually inside of the designs and what you are now able to automate. So I'm gonna click on to upload design. I'm gonna pull one in from Canva because it is now so easy to do. I mean, come on, it doesn't get easier than that. HelloCustom was able to grab our Canva design, pull it into our HelloCustom account within a few seconds, fully editable, as if we created it inside of HelloCustom to begin with. So a couple improvements to our editor in general is we now show the size of your canvas right here with the placeholder for your title, untitled design 2000 by 2000 pixels. If you uploaded a 5000 by 5000, it would say 5000 by 5000 right here. That way you know the quality imported to HelloCustom is the same as equal to what is going to be outputted for production right here. We also now allow you to do shapes, that right here. That way you can add shapes to your design, maybe tag that for image upload, that if you want an image to go inside of a heart, you can easily do that right here. Also, we increased the speed and efficiency to our editor, so it's a lot more smooth, faster, and more efficient than ever before. And lastly, we also improved what you are able to automate with personalization. Previously, you were only able to tag a text element for personalization. Yes, you were able to tag anything you want. You could give our AI instructions, but it was still limited to just text. So now you are able to automate the personalization for anything that you want, whether it is photo uploads, clip arts, color collections, font collections, you name it. You now have full control over what you want to tell HelloCustom is meant for personalization, and it will automate it for you. So jumping back over to our designs page right here, the very next page is our collections page, where this is where you can create and manage your collections, whether it is an image collection, a color collection, or a font collection. Again, image collections, you can think of this as clip art, backgrounds, any image element that you want to allow the customer to choose from. It can even be full-on designs for design variations that you can set as a collection. For the color collections, it's going to be a collection of colors. If you want to allow your customer to choose from a different color, when you say orange, we now know the color code of orange, and we can automate this for you when they type in orange in the personalization box on Etsy. Same thing with fonts. If you want to offer different fonts for your personalized design, when the customer says apricots, we now know apricots because it is a part of the font collection tied to that text element within your design. So again, super powerful, super easy. And then creating a collection is super easy. All you have to do is click on to create collection, choose the type, and then we walk you through how to create the collection right here. All right, and then the last feature of HelloCustom 2.0, and probably my favorite, is going to be our Etsy Live Preview. So if you are on the business plan, you have access to our brand new Etsy Live Preview, where if you sell personalized products on Etsy, you know that in some cases that text box just isn't enough. That if you sell custom photo designs, there's nowhere for the customer to give you that photo. They might message it to you, it gets compressed, then you give them your email, then you're searching your email for designs, then they want proofs back and forth to make sure you're not cropping off their heads. A very painful buying experience if you ask me for designs that sell really well on Etsy. Even for that clip art design that I showed you, that would be very painful to have to manually type out all of the instructions to go create that design for you. So we fully solved that problem with our brand new Etsy Live Preview by giving full control over to the customers to allow them to personalize the design, see a live preview of what it's going to look like before they order it, which in theory is going to maximize your conversion rate, remove all of that friction, and also reduce customer service, that they don't need that proof back and forth. They can make it exactly how they want it before they order it. So to create a live preview, again, it's super simple. All you have to do is upload a blank mockup of your product. You can do this for any product, any mockup. You have complete control over what you want right here. I'm going to add my mockup right here. All right, next I'm going to go ahead and give my live preview a title, example, and then all you have to do is add your personalized design on top of this mockup. So as they are entering in their personalization, we're going to be changing that design against this mockup to show them that live preview effect. That way it looks realistic. So if you click on to designs, we're going to pull in all of your HelloCustom designs right here. Currently I just have the one, but click onto it. It will add this onto your canvas, where all you have to do is position it so it looks realistic. So move it, shape it, crop it, rotate it, so that way it looks realistic onto your mockup, just like you would do naturally inside of Canva. All right, once it looks good, that's it. Now I can click on to save. And just like that, your live preview is now created. What we just did on the back end is we fully built out an entire purchase page for this product for you that you can add to your Etsy listing. So if you click onto the three dots right here, you can click onto the live preview link. If you click onto that, it will add that link to your clipboard where you can paste this onto your Etsy listing for this product. Personally, I would add this to the personalization instructions for your buyers. I would say something like enter in your personalization below, or to see a live preview, go to this link right here where we did acquire the domain preview.live for this. That way you can say for a live preview, go to preview.live. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that link right here, which will then take them to this live preview page right here. I mean, check this thing out. This is way better than that text box over on Etsy. All right, well, this is a live preview, so let's go ahead and personalize the design. For the name, let's go ahead and try Sarah. And as you can see, it changed the name to Sarah right here. For the colors, let's go ahead and try green. We'll try blue, change it to purple. But I'm gonna go ahead and change it back over to black. For the fonts, we have apricots. We have the Britney signature, Moontime, Stoic, and this one right here. We set up this as a font collection inside of our design. I'm gonna change it to apricots. For the hairstyle, they can choose from bun, from curly, from short. I'm gonna go ahead and change it to bun, and let's do this dark one right here. As you can see, it changed it to the dark hairstyle on the live preview. Scrolling down, let's do the green dress. For the cat's name, let's go ahead and do Stella. I'm gonna go ahead and choose this as the cat. For the dog's name, I'll do Charlie. And for the dog, let's go ahead and do a English Bulldog. All right, perfect. I'm gonna scroll back up, and as you can see, this is a live preview of exactly what the design is gonna look like before the customer purchases it. Again, maximizing your conversion rate, removing all of that friction, giving them a much better buying experience, and removing all of that customer service for those proofs back and forth. All right, and then when everything is good, I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down. I'll click onto the done button, which they will get this pop-up that says copy and paste the reference number below in the personalization box on Etsy. So all your customer has to do is click onto the copy button right here, click onto back to Etsy. We will redirect them back to that product page over on Etsy where they can enter in their variations and paste in that reference number right here, which we already have the personalized design ready to go for this order. Now, I don't know about you, but that is absolutely amazing. Again, my favorite feature of HelloCustom 2.0 is this Etsy live preview, where I truly think that this is going to be the future of selling personalized products on Etsy, as it just removes the friction and creates a much better buying experience and can be your secret weapon over the competition for selling personalized designs on Etsy. So that's the entirety of HelloCustom 2.0. Again, me and the team, we have put a ton of work on getting these features live for you guys. So I'd love for you to just jump in, give it a try. Let me know your thoughts. And if you have any other feature requests, make sure to let us know. Thanks, guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.